Astronomy, study of the probability of life in the universe since the concepts of astrobiology, astrochemistry, and archaeoastronomy, SETI, UAPS. Each star may have a planet around it. Well, it's not strange to think, could it be that those planets are inhabited? Because many exoplanets have been discovered orbiting stars other than the Sun. There are people who are in favor and others who are against, and others who are simply skeptical. Well, I'm one of those who believe. Why? Well, look, throughout all my experience in the world of astronomy, the world of unified astronomy, or rather, unified science, because this universe is extremely immense, about 200 billion stars miscounted. Because, imagine those galactic walls and ramparts, those mega structures that give all the geometry to our universe. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. How many exoplanets may there be? If in our galaxy only, there are already a considerable number. Imagine the potential for life in the entire universe. On the other hand, we have realized throughout history that our ancestors left as vestiges as a reminder that we have been visited before. Well, there will be people who are very skeptical, but there is evidence. The cave paintings, the petroglyphs, cameras, well, there is clearly a lot of evidence on the agenda. It's almost impossible to deny that we are alone in the universe. We also have advanced technology, but from ancient civilizations. It's interesting, for example, to see all the archaeological structures which in my field we see from the archaeoastronomic point of view. Because most of these structures are, let's say, perfectly located with the position of certain stars in the celestial vault. We clearly know, for example, the pyramids of Egypt, the pyramids in Mexico. There are countless pyramids around the world that have an exact location with the position of the stars in the universe. Of course, let's say the position of celestial objects, it has moved a little bit throughout thousands and thousands of years, right? But very little. But using astronomical software technology, we have realized that the alignments of those structures here on Earth with some constellations